Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Copilot not showing in MS Word, Excel or PowerPoint. So first of all, you need to simply open your MS Word, Excel or PowerPoint application. After opening it, simply click on the option of the file here on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now over here under the file option, you just have to scroll down and then click on the option of account. Now inside the account section under the product information page, you just have to simply make sure that you have signed in into your Microsoft account and that you have the Copilot or Microsoft 365 license. You can click on the option of the update option and then you can select the option of update now, then wait for Microsoft 365 to check for the updates and install anything that's available. After that, you can just simply close all of your Microsoft 365 application and then open the application again. Now this time, after doing this particular step, when you come here, you should see the option of Copilot. Now if it is still not showing here, then you can simply click on the option of add-on, and over here you can just simply use the search bar and then you can search for Copilot. Now over here you can find Copilot. If you find it, you just have to simply click on that and it is going to be saved over here. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.